Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to report someone on Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account, so if you have not, do log in right now. Well, once you've logged in, this is the interface. Now what you want to do is report someone. Well, it's quite easy. At the top right of any profile, you will find these three dots. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options like block. Let's select the second option that says block and report. Once you've clicked on it, this will open up. It's gonna give you a few reasons to block and report, like fake profile, inappropriate content, scam or commercial and such. Simply click on the reason that you want to report, and once you're in this specific section, select whichever one suits your problem. Then this will open up. It's gonna give you something like this, add details here. Well, simply add the reason why you want to block and report them, and once you've typed your details, simply click on submit. And as such, you have blocked and reported them. Let's simply hit on OK. Now do note that you can also report the person that you are chatting with. Simply go to the chat of the person, and at the top right, the same three buttons. It's gonna give you the same option that says block and report. Simply click on it and follow likewise. Well guys, that's it. That's how you report and block someone on Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.